What is the cheapest time of year for tree removal in Baltimore, Maryland? Most tree pros say the late fall through winter months, especially December through February, are usually the most affordable times for tree removal. That's because demand for tree crews drops after peak spring and summer landscaping seasons. Crews have more availability, and bare trees without leaves are often easier and quicker to remove, which can help lower labor costs. Spring and summer tend to be busier and more expensive because lots of homeowners schedule yard work then, which can push prices up. If you need any help, get in touch at Orellana Tree Service. Address 409 Philadelphia Road, Joppatowne, Maryland, 21075. Phone number 443-929-7425. Website OrellanaTreeServiceLC.com. If this helped, like the video, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more local home and yard tips. Thanks for watching.